Hello, welcome back, my dear friends. Today we are going to continue our journey in which we will learn some of the questions which are asked in our interview processes while you are trying to land a job in OmniStudio platform or as an Velocity developer. So far, we have discussed two topics like what is Salesforce Industries and what is OmniStudio. Hopefully, you guys have gone through my previous videos where we discussed it about how to we can answer these two questions and how to impress our interviewer. Now we are moving forward. So the next question which comes after these two is this. So the question is, what are flex card? So, as we discussed in our previous videos, that flex card are one of the component of experience layer. What we mean by that, this is a component which is visible to the user at endpoint. So, what is flex card? So, the generic definition of flex card says that flex card are used to build customer-centric, industry-specific UI components and applications on the Salesforce platform. What it basically says that uh, they are used to build industry specific UI components. This is the stressing point. With the help of this, we are making components which are specific to industries. And the industries might be include health cloud, industries cloud, communication cloud, government cloud, whatever it is. So this is the basically tool by the help of which we can design industry specific UI component. The second point which you can mention to the interviewer is like FlexCart is built on the Lightning Web Component programming model. Why I added this point? The reason is there are two flavors of cards in OmniStudio. First is Vlocity card and second is OmniStudio FlexCard. Velocity card has built on Angular framework, so if you want to impress your interviewer, you can mention this point that FlexCard has been built on Lightning Web Component programming model. The other generic data which you can mention for an example that a flex card is a block that provides a mix of relevant information and links to process a particular context. For example, an account card, for example, can carry unique account status such as status, agreement on priority, service level, or date of creation. So this is one example by the help of which you can easily elaborate like what a flex card is and it might contain. Basically, it is used to give customer 360 view so that at a glance you can get all the key information. So these are the three pointers which with the help of which you can explain what is flex card and how you can showcase that how well aware of you of the flex card. So now moving forward, the most common question which comes after this is like what are the types by which we can add data fields to the flex card? So you might be wondering what are data fields. So whenever we will configure our flex card in our configuration, there we are supposed to give data source. Data source can be include many types like SOQL, SOSL, data raptor, integration procedure, HTTP, Apex REST, Apex remote. So whatever data source you will select, it will return you some data in the form of JSON. So what is the beauty of the flex card is like once the data is retrieved, you can see that fields in the setup or in the build panel by the help of which you can link your data source to your flex card. So here by data fields means that the fields which are retrieved from the JSON that has to be mapped. So basically there are three ways by which you can do so, or basically the three elements which is provided with flex card with the help of which you can do like this. The first is the field element. Basically this is a blank field that is completely customizable. What I mean by this is like it will give you an field like let's suppose your flex card is mapped with account name, so it will give you the account name field element where you can change your label or do some validations according to your need. The second is the text element. So basically this is the one which I mostly used and this is the highly customizable because here you can format the data like yourself like with new dips you can give your own formatting, you can apply some css which is already given. So yeah, this is more customizable. Then we have the third option which is known as field list. So basically these are the element which are auto configured and auto populated. So what you need to is you can simply drag the field from the field list to canvas and then you are good for go. So basically these are the three ways by which the data can be manipulated. So from FlexCard, these two are the main questions which might come, and I hope I was able to explain to you. And let me know if any queries in the comment section. I will be happy to answer your queries. So Yeah, that's it for today, and we will continue our journey for tomorrow and the other coming videos. Thank you.